if you are making money online, you know that one of the benefits of making money online is creating digital products, and that helps you to make money on autopilot. But what if I tell you that you will be able to even automate the process of making this money on autopilot as well? That is where we talk about automating your sales funnel, because we all know that sales funnel is the key to selling your digital products on autopilot, and not just selling on autopilot, but selling a lot of them. Now, let me walk you through how you can automate your sales funnel so that you can be making passive income while your sales funnel does the job for you. So just imagine yourself sleeping and you have a salesman that will sell your product on your behalf, and he will not sleep, he will not slumber, he just keep bringing in the dough morning after night, after afternoon, after evening. Every single time you are making so much money. That is what it means to automate your passive income. Recently, I helped a client to automate his sales funnel, and within 3 months, they were making passive income consistently without lifting a finger in order for them to sell. Now keep watching, let me show you how I was able to accomplish this great feat. The first thing is understanding sales funnel automation. You need to know what is a sales funnel and how do you automate your sales funnel. First of all, if you don't know what a sales funnel is, you are new to this video. A sales funnel is a process that guides clients throughout their buying journey, from the first time where they get to see the product, which is what we call the awareness stage. Then the next stage is called the interest stage. The next stage is called the decision stage, and the final stage is called the purchase stage. So a sales funnel will guide your prospects through all these stages for them to see your product and also to buy the product from you. That is what a sales funnel is, right? So now, in order for you to automate that sales funnel process, what we need to do is to understand what is even sales funnel automation. Now, imagine having a system that works 24/7, like I said earlier, converting leads into customer automatically. Now, an automated sales funnel uses tools and software to handle the entire customer journey from awareness stage to purchase stage without any manual intervention. That is what it means to automate your sales funnel properly. The next thing you will need is what we call the right tools. The right tools will be what you need for you to automate your sales funnel. Now think about the tool that you will need to automate your sales funnel. Now when it comes to automating your sales funnel and the tools, now choosing the right tools will make a whole lot of difference. There are tools that cannot help you to automate your sales funnel no matter how you want to automate it, because they don't have certain features. Now, but if you use platforms like ClickFunnels, Systemi.io or HubSpot to build an automated sales funnel, these tools offer features like email automation. Now, email automation allows you to do a lot of stuff, right? Another thing is lead generation. This is where you capture the leads. Then the final stage is funnel analytics, where you'll be able to get information about who is coming in, how are they opting in, are they opening your emails, what is the conversion rate, and all those stuff. That is the major aspect you need in any automation tools, especially in an email or sales funnel automation tools. Now let's talk about step number 3 that you need to take after choosing the right tools. The moment you choose the right tool, like I mentioned, the next thing is creating an automated email sequence. Remember, these automated tools are going to do 3 things for you. 1 is automate your emails. 2, capture leads. 3 is help you do analytics. When it comes to automating your email sequences, it all starts with nurturing the leads first of all. Because once you capture lead, the next thing is you are nurturing this lead, and you can now start to guide them through the funnel. Now imagine sending personalized email without lifting a finger, right? Because the email will automatically pick the person's name, pick his age. If it's a course, pick the course that the person chose and send an automated email to them, telling them, "Hi Henry, hope you are having a wonderful day. It's been 7 days since you check out our product." You even tell you the product and tell you that, oh, there is an update, there is this, automatically without you lifting your finger, because these tools can do that for you. And that is where you get to use them to perform email sequences. Now to set up an automated email, you need to use tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and the rest. But like I said, the one I normally use is Systemi.io. I will leave link below, right? You have everything in Systemi.io. Not only is it going to help you to automate your email sequence, it's also going to help you segment your audience and send targeted email based on behavior and stages in the sales funnel. You just need to know how to organize this stuff, and you do it once and it's done. After choosing the right tool, you create the email sequence just once. The next step is implement retargeting ads. I keep talking about retargeting ads because it works like magic. Retargeting ads will bring back visitors who did not initially take action after seeing your products or services, right? You bring them back from Facebook, from Google, from YouTube, from all the platforms. You retarget them and get them back. In case they forget, they cannot take action and complete the process of buying the product or applying for the program. After that, you begin to monitor your funnel. Keep going back to see, is it working? Is the conversion rate going up or going down from the previous time you checked it? You need to keep doing this stage number 5. It's very important to monitor and to use tools, analytic tools, to get this done. You can use different analytic tools, and some of these email sequence tools come with these analytics as well to help you check the performance of your email sequence. Now, performing this step from number 1 to 5 is how you automate your sales funnel so that you can start making money on autopilot, right? And this is what you need to do. All right, guys, if you have not watched the other videos about how to create the first sales funnel, go and watch it, or watch other videos on how you can right now start to create your own digital product as a coach, as an expert who wants to start transferring his knowledge, his expertise into valuable content for others to consume and to pay him for his services. You need to go and watch that video so that you can learn how to create a digital product and start selling them with your sales funnel. All right, see you in the next video and start creating passive income for you and for your children. See you in the next video.